Alright guys, it's that time again. We're back on it. We're back on the arcade cabinet. It's a lovely day. It's Saturday, I think. All the days are blending into one, really. Yeah, so let's crack on. So far we've got the bottom bit, the front bit, the sides. I've got the monitor in down there. That came in yesterday. That was a very quick delivery, and thanks to the guys, got that on eBay. It's £50. Got to check that it works, and then we can crack it out of the case and crack on. Let's do this. So on my last video explaining what I'm doing, didn't get that many views. What have I got to do to get some more views around here? gotta say, guys, this is, to be honest, it's awesome. I don't know why, whether it's being outside, a beautiful day, I don't know whether it's doing something I really want to do. Just listening to music reminds me of my DJing days. I was telling wifey, and I'm going to have to break out the decks again because I really missed that. I was really good at it as well, so it's probably not going to be on the channel, but I'm definitely going to do some mixes, listening to my old mixes as well, and yeah, it's fantastic, really taking me back. So really enjoying this. If you want to do a project like this and you've got the tools, I've had the tools for a while because doing stuff around the house, so I've brought some new tools which we'll talk about later. But if you haven't got the tools, I wouldn't recommend doing this because it's going to cost you an arm and a leg, and you might as well just go and buy an arcade one up because it's probably going to be cheaper. So far, I don't know how much it's cost me, but it's adding up, and we ain't even got to the electrics yet. But the PC I already had in a different project that I'm going to abandon, so I'm going to take the PC out of that because it's a powerful PC, and put it in this. So really, like I say, I'm really enjoying this. I'm going to crack on, so let's get to it.
Hallelujah. That's right.
Damn, it's looking good.
Adore him.
Right guys, so as you can see, we're cracking on a pace for this project. It's looking damn good. Now, I am no carpenter by any means, I've got no woodworking experience, but hey, this has all come from my brain. There is no set plans. I'm not following the arcade one up. What I did was, as you know, trace the sides, and everything else I'm adding as I go along. You might say I'm an artist. I'm not. Bit of a perfectionist, but yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. I'm really pleased so how it's gone so far. So it's good. Now, if my old man, if he's watching, if my old man was doing this, it'd be perfect. It'd be perfect. I mean, his lines are just straighter than straight. Mine, they're not perfect, but they're not perfect by any means. But with that new sander that I brought, again, that was another added extra. I managed to get the line straight, so I'm quite happy with that. It's really cracking on a pace, and all that's left now is the top, the monitor bezel, because something to put the monitor into. Again, we're going with a 20-inch monitor, a Dell. We have got it. It arrived yesterday, so I'm going to unbox that, going to test it, and then we're going to decase it, and then we're going to make a bracket for it. So that's next, the monitor bracket. The control panel, I'm not too sure whether I'm going to go 4 players, whether I'm going to go just stick to the 2. I do want a trackball but I don't want it for like the golden tee. I just want it for things like PC games where you've got to use a mouse. So I don't know whether to put that on the front. I'm really not too sure at the minute, but I don't really want to rely on a keyboard and mouse if I can help it. I just don't want it because it's taking away the arcade experience. So the coin door, we're going to do a coin door. The marquee, we're doing a digital marquee. What else? Just bracketry basically for the PC. Obviously there's going to be T-moulding, so I've got to get the bits for that. And then we've got to paint it. So still a long way to go yet, guys. Really appreciate you watching if you watched this far. I'll come back next time when we're going to do the monitor. We'll do the unboxing, we'll do the testing, and then we'll do the bezel. That I think is going to be in the next program, and we'll do the top as well. But thanks for watching, guys, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, smash that like button. If you can, share the video because it really helps. I'm a growing channel, and I'll see you on the next one.